Welcome back to the channel, guys. Back on the beautiful R1M finally. I've been doing a lot of H2 videos. I know you guys like the H2, but I gotta show love for the R1M. If you guys do remember the Ducati meet that I took the H2 to last time, this time I'm meeting up with a friend and we're going to the same meet but taking the R1M this time. So yeah, should be fun. A lot of traffic, which I did not expect at this time. It's also very gloomy today. I'm still not used to these gloves. This is my second time wearing them. I don't like wearing new gear, man. Just not very smooth with my clutch and throttle. It doesn't feel right. Ready to go?
Ready, man.
I'm a little late, my bad.
No,
how are you doing?
Man, that's it, dude.
At least you got a ride.
Yeah, better than Vespa, right?
Yeah. Before continuing, I'd like to shout out today's sponsor, Cannadips. It's a CBD dip company that helps you relax, helps you sleep better, which is especially what's been going on with me. I've been taking this product every day now since I've gotten it about like a week ago. I talked to you guys about it in the last video, how I always had trouble sleeping, and this definitely helped me. They have multiple different flavors to choose from. My personal favorites are the citrus and the mango. It's a really great company run by amazing people that have a really great goal of helping those that are pretty much addicted to regular tobacco and nicotine dip. This healthier alternative has no tobacco, no nicotine, and it's also spit free. Go check out their product on cannadips.com and use K20 to get 20% off your order. Let me know how you guys like the product. Back to the video. Look at this Mustang. That is disgusting. That's nice. Quite the lineup over here.
Bike swap?
Yeah, there's less bikes than last time, but that car,
Yeah, I know.
that's a nice car.
Check it out.
Yeah. A hypercar. Full exposed carbon. That looks insane. I'd be down to race that. That'd be fun.
Oh yeah, hell yeah.
White V2. V4SP. Ah, the beautiful V4S. An older V4S. 12.9S Brilgera. Another V4S. Oh, another SP back there. This is the one, huh?
Yeah.
It's such a long like list and stuff like that to get one of those. It's crazy. Is that a V4SP right there? There's one, a V4SP right there. Yeah, that's a nice one.
How are the wheels?
The R1M won't keep up with this one. Should have brought the H2 for this.
Oh yeah.
That thing's beautiful.
I feel these are a little lighter than the stock wheels.
Yeah.
Huh, interesting.
You'll see. We'll see. But it does on track.
Yeah. That was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please like, subscribe, share, support. And thanks so much for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace out. Ride safe.